What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Selfkey, which has pumped up a huge 45% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at 0.01452 cents. So we're going to be going through, is it time to buy it, is it too late, or on the other hand, should you sell it and take out your profits, or is it time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, going above the 2 cents target? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, as well as for the long term over the next few months, and overall in 2023, how high can Selfkey go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So the market is down just about 0.1% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And yes, we've got Selfkey as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 8% in value, which is absolutely crazy, especially that it's within an hour. Over the last day, 41%. Over the week, a huge 140%, guys. Yes, it did hit about 160% a couple of days ago. Took a little bit of a drop, and right now pumping back up in value. And over the month, a huge nearly 300% up over the last 4 weeks, which is absolutely crazy. So this crypto has been performing very well. But the main question is, how long is this going to go on for, or is it going to drop back down anytime soon? So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 41% in the last 24 hours, making it $67 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded. And there is no doubt that the trading volume will very likely go higher over the coming hours, as it is pumping right now. So we are going to see more and more people trading the crypto, a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, meaning trading volume will go up, and so will the value of Selfkey itself. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of a Selfkey, which is here in purple at 0.006770. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at 0.01417, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. And yes, they are looking quite steep as well. Only reason is because of the major increase that's just taken place over the last couple of hours. Again, when a MACD indicator looks as steep as this, it means it's not realistic, and the exact same applies to Selfkey as well. It's not realistic. However, over the coming 12 to 14 hours, so let's say towards the end of the day today, I am indeed expecting an overall increase in value from Selfkey, potentially heading up to about 0.017 to 0.018 cents in target is what my expectations are. However, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting green candles. Yes, it's likely to hit red candles in between, take a little bit of a drop. As you can see, after every pump there is a little bit of a drop, and that's what's likely to carry on over the next 12 to 14 hours as well. So potentially heading to about 0.017 to 0.018 cents in target is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking quite bullish, very steep. Again, not as steep as the previous chart, but again it is looking quite steep, guys, meaning once again it is not realistic. However, over the coming days, so over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting Selfkey to have reached the 2 cents target by mid next week, guys. Again, there's going to be red days in between where it is likely to take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a drop, and green days as well. But at this point, it looks like the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected. And as I mentioned, potentially hitting 2 cents by mid next week is what my expectations are from Selfkey. With the current analysis and technical analysis that I have done so far, we should be able to hit 2 cents by mid next week. Moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking very bullish, very steep, meaning once again it's not realistic. So far for Selfkey, the MACD indicator has been showing us steep lines. Again, is because of the major pump that's been going through over the last couple of days, but again, that's not realistic. I'm not expecting it to keep pumping constantly for the next couple of weeks, of course not. However, yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late April 2023, we should be seeing Selfkey trading around 0.04 cents to 0.045 cents is what my expectations are. Again, it could be much higher than that. The way it's been going at the moment, it should be. However, I'm not expecting it to keep carrying on this way. I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a dip in between before it slowly starts to gain value. Up to about 4 cents by mid to late April is what my expectations are. However, guys, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is, and any little news can have a major impact on any cryptocurrencies. That is why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on the cryptocurrency market as much as I can and as soon as I can on any news and updates and collaborations that any crypto's got going on. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far it is looking quite good for Selfkey, especially over the long term. However, once I do more research on it and so on, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. And let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want regular updates on Selfkey. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And as you can see, this is a very interesting one, guys. We literally broke out from the red zone on the 19th of February, about 4 days ago. Literally broke out the green zone as well, dropped back down, and right now we've been trading in the green zone for about 3 days, and we should be able to stay in the green zone for now and then potentially break out into the dark green zone over the next couple of weeks, heading to about 2 cents by mid next week is what I said earlier. And the 2 cents target is indeed in the blue zone here, and potentially heading to the highest level here over the next couple of weeks, potentially, as I mentioned, hitting about 4 cents, which would mean a new all-time high for Selfkey by mid-April if we manage to stay on the green side, and if the crypto market in general manages to stay on the green side as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my prediction on Selfkey, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Selfkey to hit the 5 cents target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.